ng publishing sa palilabas ng mga libro ito. Ako at sana yung mga ibang mabasa ay magkakaroon ng mas malalim unawa sa kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin talaga ng isang pagiging indigenous at anong pagiging isang Pilipino. So this book, More Indigenous Than We Admit, is a continuing effort to deepen our understanding of identity, or Filipino identity. An identity that is more layered, more complex than many of us have been taught to believe. So we invited Dr. Acabarabo and Mr. Martin to take on this volume precisely because of their commitment to advancing indigenous studies and interrogating the problematics of indigeneity. So their collaboration brings together archaeology, history, social studies, oral histories, and deep community perspectives, offering, very importantly, not just but advocacy. So this is unique in this volume of the More Than We Admit series. It's not just scholarship, but it is the advocacy in itself here in this book. So this book is part of our More Than We Admit series under the Academic Pina Plus Libre. So which seeks to pose difficult but necessary questions about who we are as Filipinos.